Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you a very profitable strategy that you can use to trade boom and crash. In case this is your first time seeing this channel, Truewealth, we discuss anything related to finance, anything related to online investment, business opportunities. So if you are new to this channel, please, I want you to just smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon in case of any subsequent video, and you can also do well to join our Telegram channel in the description box. Okay, now having said that, the first thing you need to do, if you have not registered on Deriv, you need to register on Deriv because Boom and Crash is on from Deriv. So you need to register, sign up properly on Deriv broker. If you have an account with them, you don't need it. But if you don't have, just check the description box. Please make sure you use the link also so that you will not fall victim of scam link, because you'll be depositing real money into the broker. So check the description, sign up properly. In case you are new, I will just show you briefly how you can sign up and set up your account. Now, what you'll be doing is that we'll be using this MT5, and if you are new to anything that has to do with forex, don't worry, this video will be step by step, so make sure you watch it to the very end. So just go to Play Store. Now let me just give you what you download. Just download, click on MetaTrader 5. As you can see, I have it here. Download it. Then download Deriv Go also. Deriv Go, that's where you'll be placing your trades. Deriv Go. Okay, so when you have both, as you can see, 100k downloads. Okay, so when you have both, then we are good to go. So you check the description box and sign up properly. After signing up, now we'll be using this MetaTrader 5 to analyze our trades, and the analysis will be done using 3 signal indicators. As you can see, the first one up here, the second one in the middle, and the third one down here. Okay, and I'll be showing you the settings to this indicator and how you can use it to profit from it. I just found this indicator, I just found this strategy, and I shared it with my people on the Telegram channel, that I have found a strategy that is really effective. So far, I've back tested it, and I'm even trading on it. And this is not just the only trade, as you can also see. So this loss you are seeing here is a mistake. Okay, and not just here, I've also traded it. This is a demo account, although, but I funded my real account also for the Deriv to kickstart. I trade normally, as you can see. These are my accounts. I trade normally. This XNES. This is Octa FS Hero accounts, as you can see. So I trade normally. Then, but you are not trading here. You are not trading on MetaTrader 5 right now. We are trading on Deriv Go. Okay. So now immediately you download the MetaTrader 5 in case you don't have it yet. If you have signed up and you have a demo account, a synthetic demo account on Deriv, you can just click on menu here, manage accounts, click on plus, then find broker, just type Deriv, click on it, then sign in. So once you click on it, sign into your demo. Don't sign into your real account, sign into your demo. So log in your account ID and the password for those who have, but those who doesn't have, or you want to use my link to register, just check the description box to register a real account. But then the demo account, you can just create it from here. Just click on, when you get here, just click on open a demo account, fill these details. Don't change anything, just fill the details and click on register. The deposit, you can reduce it. It's just to analyze. You are not doing anything with it. And also to demo trade. You can also demo trade with this strategy to make sure that you understand it very well, because trading can be risky. Now let me make a disclaimer. Although this strategy is over 95% accurate, but I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. This is only for educational purposes. Okay, so now after you have signed up here, then you just click on register, then you log in. Then when you log in, you find a chart like this, but it's not like this. It will be clear. It will be clear. Now I'll show you. I don't want to clear because the informations are much. So on setting this up, so I'll just show you bit by bit. Okay, so now when you check here, you may just found some assets, like you may find assets like Euro, USD. And so when you click on this dollar up here to find your assets, so when you see that, just go to quote down here, go to quote and click on plus. So when you click on plus, you see a lot like that. So what you are interested in is boom and crash. So you click on boom and crash, then it's been added already, then you add them. You just add boom and crash. So I've added them already, they are here. This boom 1000, this crash 1000, that's what we are trading. So after doing that, you need to set up your indicator. But before I show you how to set up your indicator, let me quickly show you, for those who are new to Deriv, once you open on the description of this YouTube channel, just check the link there, the Deriv link, and sign up. So let me show you the sign up process. Let me just create an account that is not that original. Okay, so now this is the link. This is how it will bring it out. Just type in your email. So I'll be using Truewealth email. So let me just, I will skip this, pause the video so that I can show you. So you click on create a demo account. Okay, it says check your mail. So when it says check your mail, so a mail should drop above here. So email should drop here. So if the mail does not drop, I can just go to my mail. So okay, so just click on verify my mail. Okay, let me copy this. I don't want to, because I have my original account on that browser, so I prefer to just go on Firefox for that. Okay, so let me just paste and click on go. So immediately you do that, you'll be requested to put in some other things. So select your country. So any country you are watching this from, just select your country. Okay, select your country. Then it's from Nigeria. From Nigeria, then you click on next. Always, okay, a citizen? Yes, I'm a citizen. So set the password. I'll pause the video now so that you can. Okay, so I'm creating a password right now. Okay, now I've successfully created an account with Deriv, so it's so simple like that. I have a demo account this way. So immediately this demo account has been set up, so it's still loading. It's loading. Then you can click on the menu icon here, the menu icon. Please try and make sure and verify your account by going to account settings. Go to account settings and verify your account. But you don't need to verify your account on the on this demo. This is demo, you know. So we said where do we want to start? Multiplier. Multiplier is what we want to work with. So let's ignore that. So now this is how you'll be taking your trades. But just download Deriv Go that I showed you, Deriv Go, because you will log in this account on Deriv Go and take the trade. Okay, so you go to Play Store and download Deriv Go. So what you are trying to do is to just set up the account first. In case you don't understand, make sure you watch the video over and over again. I'm trying to make sure it's very easy to understand and is straightforward, okay, and step by step. So download Deriv Go and open it. Okay, this is on browser. So now want to do with boom and crash. So verify your account, then come to this menu here. This is demo. If you want to open a real account, just come here, and then we have demo here, we have real here. Click on the real and click on add accounts. So when you click on add accounts, it will tell you to add, because you need to add to sign up properly, fill in your information. So now if you want to fund directly with US dollar, you can select it depending on the country. If you want to open a cryptocurrency wallet, you can. So you can open Litecoin, open USDT, Theta Omni, and you can also open USD. But then it's USD will do use the balance. And you can also open cryptocurrency. So you fill in the details, but I won't be doing that right now. So after filling in the details properly, now you will discover that you will fill in your other details also. So after doing that, you now have access to create a synthetic account. Okay, synthetic account. But once you verify the accounts, you may not really need to create this DMT5 accounts, because this DMT5 account, if you create it, a real account, you'll be needing it on MetaTrader 5. So immediately you verify the account. Okay, the next thing is to fund it. So once you click on menu here, then you can go to cashier and fund. Now deposits. There are various method of deposits. So once you click on deposit, this is on demo, so we can't work on demo like that. So once you click on, you can have payment agents in your country. There's DP2P. You can use P2P for those who are not new. And if you want me to make a special video on how to create the accounts and also how to verify how to fund the account, you can just comment on this video, so I can know, so I can create a separate account. Okay, and if you have any question also, you can also join our Telegram channel and comment your question in the Telegram group, as you can see on the description of this video. So having done that, how you will be trading is you only be using you'll be using the multiplier. Then you'll be trading boom and crash. Just come here, boom 1000 and crash 1000. So I'll be showing us the settings very soon. So just come to change it to boom or crash. Now it should be a multiplier and 100x. Now all these things, you will find them also on your Deriv Go, and I'll be showing you. So now, depending on because risk management is much more powerful than any strategy. Okay, although this strategy is very powerful, but yet you should know that there are spikes and there are entry points that you need to take note of. So because of that, you won't be taking only one trade. So if you have, for example, $100, just risk 3 to 5% on each trade. $100, just enter just type $3 or $5. Okay, then click on OK, meaning that anything that will happen will not pass this $3, even if there will be loss. And it will stop out on 2.7 US dollars. So make sure the multiplier is just 100x. So what you want to do is to either trade up or trade down. Okay, so now having known that, the next thing we need to now do is to understand how to set up the strategy to take the kind of trades that you have seen here and you are really interested in. The kind of results you are seeing now. I think it's still loading. I have a lot opened here right now. I've been doing a lot with my phone, so let me just close this. Okay, this is the Deriv Go, but let me close it. Let me just open the MetaTrader 5. Okay, now this is it. As you can see, it's still going. I know when to close it. Everything will be explained to you. Okay, now if you click on chart now, you can see boom 1000 index. After you have added it from the quotes here, it will be displayed here. You just click on it from here and you click on charts. Okay, so or you come here and just select it. This is boom 1000, so this crash 1000. Okay, so as you can see now, we are on 5-minute time frame, so you can tap the screen and change it to 5 minutes time frame. 5-minute time frame. Okay, now for the indicators, you need to add the 3 indicators, and I will explain to you how to take the trade. It's very simple and easy. So in case you are new to this channel and you are getting any value from it, please give me a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. Don't forget to also register with the link on the description of this video. So for the indicators will show you how to enter, where to enter into your trade, and also when to take profit. So everything will be explained clearly. So now let me hold the screen and drag it out so that I can zoom it. Okay, now to add the indicators, you click on F. Now as you can see here, there are 6 indicators on the screen. 6 indicators. So to do that, I will not be deleting it because the informations are much. So I want you to just be seeing it. Maybe you screenshot it to add it to your this thing also. So immediately you click on this place, there won't be anything here. So everything will be free, will be empty. So what you just need to do is to click on this F here, indicator, and click on main chart. This F plus here, click on it. When you click on it, then you select this Ishimoku. This is it. This is Ishimoku. So when you select Ishimoku, now the settings for the Ishimoku, let me click on it to show us. This is the settings. Now the settings there are different, but then you can change the settings to 5, 2, 52, and this field mark it 3 pixel, 3 pixel, 222. Then this color, make sure you use this color so you can screenshot this and or pause it, then do the same thing for your on your MetaTrader Deriv demo account. Okay, and you click on done. Then the next indicator, once you click on the plus again, it will bring out the indicator window 1. Then you add this relative strength index. Like click on plus, see it down here, relative strength index. So you click on it. These are the settings. You can see 14, then close, then style. Then this color here should be the color of your background. The background of this is black. Of this chart is black. So you should also select black. Okay, so the style should be what? Should be black, because what we are using on the RSI is our moving averages. Okay, so select black. Then the level should be 1095. So from here, you just click on edit. From this level, you click on this pencil button and you click type 10 here, type 95. Then the two other, you click on plus to add 90 and 5. Then you change this to white. Okay, the style is 2 pixels, then change it to white. Then we have it here. Also we have, these are the lines you can see, 90, 95 beside here, 90, 95, and these are the white lines. Okay, 5 and 10. Now the next one is average directional movement index. Just add 14 period. The style should be 2 pixel, the plus D1 1, then minus D1 minus D high 1 pixel. Then it should be background. If your background is white, use these things to be white. These colors you are seeing here, make them white. But if it's black, let it remain black. Then the level, leave it empty. Okay. The next one is your moving averages. Just click on plus again on this indicator and add your moving average. Sorry, the way you had you had these indicators the same way. So average directional movement, also you click on plus and you scroll down to see it. You see it here. Okay, here is it. So you see it up there on the trend. Okay, so the next thing is moving averages. So you see the moving average here. You select it on the trend, and when you select it, the first one is 10 0 exponential close 3 pixel. Then I select red. Okay, use the color, use any color, you can use any color for that, then click on done. Okay, so this is the indicator here, this red you are seeing here, this red line you are seeing moving around. Okay, then the next one is the yellow one you are seeing. So 21 minus 6 smoothed close 3 pixel and yellow. Then click on done. So after clicking on done, the last indicator, as you can see, indicator window 2. Now to add the indicator to window 2, what you need to do is on this main chart, click on the F plus here, so that you will not have the same information on the window 1. So just click on the main chart, you click on plus, then you select whatever you want to select. Okay, you select it, then it will come here to window 2. So awesome oscillator, just line with 1 pixel, value up green, value down red, then you click on done. So after doing that, you will have all this exactly arranged this way. Okay, and don't forget, this is 5-minute time frame. Now boom and crash they are just synthetic indices. They are created by Deriv. They are not like the normal financial market, the normal forex market that we trade, the USD, Canadian dollar, the Euro USD, British pounds USD. These are different. Okay, so the crash, as it signifies crash, then the boom goes down, the boom represents up. Okay, so I will suggest, or you can actually take it in any direction. You can take crash up, also take crash down. Well, so far the indicator shows you, so you can trade it anyhow. Just make sure you demonstrate very well and you test it very well. But it's very easy. Once you begin to understand it easily. Okay, now what are the trade conditions? Now there are 3 trade conditions that this needs to satisfy. The first trade condition is that, look at this RSI. RSI, the second line here. Now the yellow and the distance. Now it must be touching the 90 to 95 area. If you want to take a sell, it must enter into the 90 to 95 area. So when it enters into the 90 to 95 area, then you're considering taking a sell. But you don't just take it like that. Remember, I said 3 conditions. The second condition is that this AO that is here, the average what's it called? This average awesome oscillator down here. So you need to also, it needs to also be up. See, there is a line, zero line that crosses it in the middle. So you can see that the channel is up, it's up, the channel is up. So if it's facing up like that also, it's also a good time to also plan to take a sell, a short position. Okay. So now the last thing is that this green must change to red. When it changes to red, that's when you take your trade. Make sure that this RSI is touching the 90 to 95. If it's not touching, don't take the trade. And this one down here is up, is at the upper band, upper side, above the zero line. Okay, then this one changes from yellow, green to red. So once that happens, then you can now enter into the trade. Now, for example, let me zoom this. For example, this happened here. This happened here. 90 to 95 happened here. But then it was still on green. Why this one too? This one was already up and moving down. So it was still on green. Then gradually it started changing position and it moved to red. And this is where the red started from. This is where the red started from. So what would you do at such time? You take a short position. So when you take the short position, don't worry, this is not the only video I will upload concerning it. As we are trading, I'll be showing us the same thing, but the result and so on and so forth. Okay, so you just take a short position, from here. As you can see, goes down. Then when do you take your profit? You take your profit when this thing here, this RSI that is touching the up comes to touch the 5 to 10 area. The 5 to 10 area. If you have any question, you can drop it on the channel, on the comment. 5 to 10 area. So once it touches the 5 to 10 area, you can close it and take your profits, and then begin to prepare to take a long position. So far, you have the same condition. The same condition for buy is that it must be touching down here. So once it touches down, you must now look at this awesome oscillator, whether it's also below the zero line. Once that is, then it changes from red to green. Once it changes from red to green, then you can now take your trade on possibly the second candlestick. Then you can follow it until it touches up again. Okay, can you see now? I'm not trading crash, I'm only trading boom. And now I think this has touched the upper side, and now red is already showing here. It's already showing red. It's already showing here, and from here also the awesome oscillator has changed from the upper side to the downside. So what will I do? I can enter into a short position right now. So on this demo, I will take it here, but I will also go to Deriv to show you how to take the trade. I hope you understand this. You can watch it over and over again to understand. So I'll click on this side here and click on sell. So now, if this market goes further up, if it goes up further, I'll take another sell, because I must wait for this moving average to, since it has touched the last part, the 1995, I'll wait for it to reverse, following all other indicators. Okay, so now on Deriv also, I can go and sell crash 1000. Crash 1000, I can go and sell crash 1000. Okay, so that's what it's showing us, right? So how to take the short position also on Deriv, just go to Deriv. Go to Deriv. I know the video will be long. Okay, then you go to log in properly, haven't signed up and verified your account and funded your account. Okay, this is demo. Okay, then you click on position. Okay, not position, these are the closed ones. Now you click on trade, then you select boom, you change it to what? To crash 1000. Okay, now I'm using $3 and 100 multiplier, and I'm selling it. So you just click on sell. Make sure you edit this. You are not using take profit or stop loss. You are closing it as the indicator gives you a confirmation. So you just click on down. So once you click on down, you've opened the trade. You can come here to watch how the trade is performing. Now, don't go and trade on MT5. Trade here so that it will manage your risk a lot for you. It will help you to manage your risk. As you can see, this is minus 0.03. When you look at this now, if it's on loss, the loss will be, can you see, minus 2 directly. So the loss is high. Okay, for the boom that I'm trading, let me see whether it's already time to close it. As you can see, boom is still at the middle also. It's still at the middle here also. It's almost touching the upper part. So once it touches the upper part, I can close it. Or I can even choose to close it now because I'm already satisfied. I closed it here. I already closed it on Deriv Go. But for here, I just left it there for everyone to see. Okay. So once it touches the upper part, I can close it. Sometimes it may reverse before it now goes to touch the upper part. So you can, but you will still end up in profit. Okay, that's why it's necessary for you to use this Deriv Go to trade so that you can manage your risk. So just use 3 to 5% of your account per time to open the trade, and once the thing continues going down, going up, the crash continues going up instead of coming down. When it gets to that point again, when it touches the 1995 and you see the red again, take the sell until it start going back to your direction. Don't stop. Okay, so thank you for staying through. As you can see, the crash is already in profit. We entered in at the right time here. That's how to just set it on your phone and see the settings by yourself. And also here also will also be on profit so fast. As you can see, crash, when you crash, works with spike. So the spike was boom going down. So taking a sell on crash is a good thing. Taking a buy on boom is a good thing. Thank you for staying through this video. Make sure you subscribe and also join our Telegram channel for subsequent updates like this. See you in the next video. In case you have any question, you can always ask. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.